Hey gang, welcome to my Imperfect Produce unboxing. Imperfect Produce brings the stuff that's not cosmetically perfect to you, and it helps reduce food waste in the country. And when you hashtag cooking ugly, they also donate 5 pounds of produce to one of your local food banks in your city. So let's see what's in my box, and if you want to get a box of your own, leave me a comment, shoot me a tweet, email me, somehow get in contact with me. I'll get you $10 off your first box. So what have I got? Oh, I forgot I ordered those. So I have a whole bunch of kale here. I love kale Caesar salads. They are freaking awesome. Then I have 2 giant sweet potatoes here. Cook those up. Yum, yum, yum. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Roma tomatoes. That's right. I have a couple Asian pears. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Granny Smith apples. I love them. They're little sweet, a little tart, a little sour. Then I have 2 zucchinis, which I will peel and turn into noodles with some pasta sauce. So I'm excited for that. I have 3 oranges. That's right, 3 oranges there. Still more. See this? They're mandarins, but this one is really, really tiny, which is why it can't be sold in the store. So I was probably only supposed to get 3, and I got extra because it's so small. Then I got 2 limes, and finally, I got 2 really unwrapped avocados, but I will put them in a paper bag. In a couple days, I will be eating avocado toast. Yes, that's right. So this is my box, which I then reuse to put my recycling in all week. So reduce, reuse, recycle. It also becomes a cat toy until I put stuff in it. If there's like a spare kale leaf or something, Miss Phoenix is going to enjoy. So that's all my Imperfect Produce. If you want to join the food revolution, again, hit me up. I'll get you a code. $10 off your first box. They just came to San Diego starting this past week. So that's now LA, Orange County, San Diego, San Francisco, Portland, Seattle, where else? Chicago, Milwaukee, Indianapolis, San Antonio, I think Austin too. Several places. So if that is what's up and you live there and you want a code, let me know. Until next time, keep cooking ugly.